Hey guys, and welcome back to this video on my channel. And today I am doing a long-awaited mukbang with Domino's Pizza. I just got some pizza with my rewards card, so y'all already know what's popping. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, follow all my social medias. They will be here and linked down below, so follow me. You feel me? Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Get into this video. This is what the pizza looks like, by the way. I'm literally not gonna eat all of it, but yeah. And then for a drink I have Coca-Cola. But yeah, I actually need to go get my phone so I can get these questions. Okay guys, I'm back and I got my phone. Actually asked you guys some questions for me to talk about during this mukbang, you feel me? So a lot of you guys wanted me to talk about my future with school and YouTube, and to be honest, this is gonna be a really long mukbang. But future with college and YouTube is kind of complicated. I know I want to go to college. It's like really a long-term goal for me. Yeah, the college that I really want to go to actually is either Winston-Salem State University or Aggie Pride. Y'all know what it is, A&T. So yeah, either want to go to those colleges. I really like their technology programs. They're actually really good. I want to major in like the technology field. So as far as college goes with YouTube, I will continue to do YouTube as long as I can. You know, like I said in a lot of other videos when I was doing my Q&As, YouTube is not always going to be there. So, you know, you got to have like another outlook to look at. So I really do want to go to college. I know a lot of YouTubers who have struggled and are struggling with YouTube in college. So, you know, I'm not there yet, but it's coming soon. So it's always something to think about. How it is for me college. I also wanted me to give y'all some middle school advice. I'll do this when I go to high school because I'll be done with middle school and I can tell you like everything. But for right now, my middle school advice is like, stay out of drama. Like, it's just not good. It's not cute either. Like
saying, oh, we gonna fight. Oh, you said something about my man.
Like, cut it out. Like, just get to high school, like it's really not gonna be that cool because all these upperclassmen, they're just not gonna like you and it's just not gonna be good for you. Stay out of drama. Another thing, make 8th grade like your best year. If you're trying to get in like in these Ivy League colleges, Harvard, Dartmouth, Duke, they're gonna look back further than high school. I know they're gonna look back in 8th grade. That's actually what I've heard. So make sure 8th grade is your best year. My grades were pretty decent this year and I played a lot of sports. Yeah, definitely. I wanted me to do a story time. Didn't think I had a story prepared. I think I do because this is kind of with the relationships, okay? So this is the story time of I got catfished in a relationship. So let's go ahead and get started into this long story. My last piece of pizza. I'm just not that hungry, y'all. But love y'all and I'm doing it for you. So basically this all started in last year. It was recent. It all started in September. It started in July 2017. I had my old Instagram. Oh my god. I just started back into YouTube, and as you guys know, and this boy had DM'd me and he was like, hey, you cute and everything. Like, I was kind of excited there because maybe mine, I was still 13, like I was still kind of immature and stuff, still like 7th grade. Like, hey, you cute. And I was like, oh, thank you. I was trying to play it cool, but I really wasn't cool, you know. But we just kept talking, and we didn't become like together until September. And you know, and he said he went to Spate Middle School, which is a middle school in my city that I live in. And you know, we never met up. And I think at that time in my life, I was kind of still, you know, lonely. I had friends, you know, but I was still kind of lonely. And I was kind of like wanting someone to tell me that I was beautiful and loved and all that mess. Then we broke it off because I found out that he was texting other girls. He was like posting it on his story. And I just broke it off with him, even though he was like catfishing me. I still didn't know it at the time. Then we got back together in December 2017, and we stayed until February 2018. January 2018, I found out his picture, hotblackguys.com, and I saw it, and I was like,
I was heartbroken, bro.
I was in my feelings like for like a whole day. And then I was like, okay, he didn't ask for any of my address or anything like that, but he was just catfishing me, so it was a fake photo. And I think I fell in love with the idea of love, and like that's why I'm kind of like focusing. Like, I'm not saying that all your relationships are gonna be catfishes. Continue this mukbang with my Coca-Cola. So we're gonna do one last final topic to talk about. Going into your last year of the 8th grade, what are some things that you're expecting for high school? When I go to high school, I'm really planning to stay at the school that I'm at for one more year and moving to a new public school. I'm sorry, y'all, my camera stopped. It's starting this back. You can't start this back, okay, camera? You can't start this back. But my years at this school, I'm gonna just say the name. My years at WPA, the first year was awesome. It was my 5th grade year. I was 10 and I turned 11 that year, and it was a great year. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about friendships too. Just a really nice year, and I really liked 5th grade year. And then 6th grade year came in, and my whole thing changed, bro. 6th grade year, I didn't know who I was. I think life was coming way too fast. I started acting out. I was getting suspended. If y'all know me, you know, with the school I go to, y'all know all of this because it was all around the middle school hall. I was always the one who was getting suspended, and everybody knew about it. It was so embarrassing. And some of those people who bullied me, I'm kind of like, you know, they're gaming up on me now because they're like, ooh, you getting popular on YouTube and you meeting your goals. That's why people do you, bro. Like, when you moving up in life, they're gonna be coming on me like,
Oh my god, I love your channel. Oh my god, you're such an inspiration.
serious, bro. They're gonna start doing it. You feel me? I'm serious. 6th grade year was not my best year, and 7th grade year was just a whole realization. Like, you gotta choose your associates and who your best friends are. Some people you're just not meant to be friends with, and some people you're really just meant to be associates and people who you talk to. I really learned that in 7th grade, and I learned self-worth in 7th grade. I was so lonely, depressed, like most of the time, and I felt like, you know, I really was in a dark place. 6th and 7th grade was like one of the darkest things of my life. 7th grade, I started my YouTube channel, so you know, it was a blessing all in one because I found, you know, loving YouTube, even though, you know, when I would sit down and film those little moments, even though I wasn't really doing it seriously and I quit right after, you know, I was feeling real, compassionate, like genuine happy feelings because I was there and I was doing what I love. 8th grade, bro. 8th grade year has been my best year. I'm really saying it's been the best year academically. I got Beta Club, which is something I've been wanting to be in ever since I got into middle school. I couldn't get in because of my behavior and my grades. My grades have been good all year. My behavior's been on point. I have no suspicions. We're getting into EOG time, and it's just amazing. And you know, I have so many more friends now. It's who used to talk about me. Me and my brother, like my best friend brother and Jaden, we were talking about the other night how people, the way they used to talk about me and the way they carried me was like in a negative way, but now people are like carrying me in a positive way. If y'all watched, I lectured my whole entire school video. I'll link it in the card. But I was talking about my goals for my 8th grade year. I met every single goal. Not yet though, because of my last EOG, but you know, I have a good faith in that. But you know, this year has enlightened me so much. I've played sports. I played sports for the first time. I played volleyball. Y'all have seen that in my vlogs throughout the year. Basketball season was lit, bro. I'm ready for next basketball season so I can get my hyper dunks. I'm gonna be balling. But so many people are like,
I'm so proud of you.
but yeah, this was a long mukbang. I think I ate like, bro, I ate. Y'all, the pizza. I knew I was right to put a towel, bro. I knew I was gonna need to put a towel. Okay, I just dropped. Guys, this was the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, doing my first mukbang. Hope you guys got like a sense of what's been going on with my life lately. Things that y'all wanted to hear. So yeah, I hope you like this video, you feel me? Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. My socials will be here and linked down below for you guys to follow and check out. I'm really active on most of my social media. I'll see you guys next week and love you guys. Bye.